Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store with the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app and Snapchat business account to track customer activity, product views, add to carts, checkouts, and purchases accurately. Let's get started. Install Wixpa Google Tag Manager app from Shopify App Store and open it inside your Shopify store. Go to Theme Activation and activate the GTM app embed. Next, copy the activation code provided by Wixpa GTM. Go to Settings, then Customer Events, and add Custom Pixel. Paste the activation code, set permission option not required, save the pixel, and connect it. Your Shopify store is now connected with Wixpa GTM. Before creating the Snapchat pixel, make sure you have active accounts of both Google Tag Manager and Snapchat. As you can see, I have already created mine. Inside Snapchat business account, also make sure to create new Snapchat pixel to get pixel ID, as we need the pixel ID to connect Snapchat with Shopify through Wixpa GTM. Now coming back to Wixpa GTM dashboard, click Create Pixel. Connect your Google account and add a container. Next, select Snapchat as the platform. Paste your pixel ID into the required field. Choose default settings. Wixpa will automatically configure the necessary tracking setup for Snapchat. Next, click Save. This process will take some time as data needs to populate. Your pixel is created successfully. Now open Google Tag Manager. Locate the container that was just configured. You should see new changes appeared after some time. Now go to Versions and click Preview the live version inside Google Tag Manager. Enter your Shopify store URL and connect Tag Assistant. Once connected, open your store and perform some activities like view a product, add a product to cart, and start checkout. As you do this, return to Google Tag Manager preview mode. You should see events appearing and tags firing successfully. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with Wixpa Google Tag Manager and Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.